Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechW. Today I'm going to show you about how to use fill and sign tool. So let's launch Acrobat Reader application. Many people do not know about that fill and sign tool is a free tool from Acrobat Reader. You can use it from Acrobat Pro Reader application. So all you have to do is you can just let's open a test file and I'll show you how to add the signature in order to sign a document. So now from the left panel, I will select fill and sign tool. Okay. And since I have not added the signature, let's add a signature first. So fill and sign tool is used for signing a document. For example, if someone has sent you the document uh, through email, so what you do is you open the document in Acrobat Reader and you can just sign the document by dropping and dragging the signature in the signature field. So that's how you can use the fill and sign tool. See, now it's so after opening the fill and sign tool from left panel, you have the option where you can add the signature. So how to add the signature? Once you click on plus symbol there, you have three options here. You can draw the signature, just like holding your mouse like this, or it'll you can type your signature. Also, you can see you can change your style here, like you can change the font of your signature. But many people draw their own signature or they will use the image. I will use the image because I have already taken the screenshot of my image and I have saved on my desktop. So I'll use the image. I'll click on open. It will be and it will show here and then click on apply and see the signature is there. After some time it will show here as well. Here from the left panel, from the left side. Likewise, you can add the initial if you want to add. Many people do like to add the initials. You can add the initials also. Click on apply. Like my initial is A.S. AS. All right. Now, so if someone has sent you the document, and so all you have to do is you can just pick the signature and gently move your mouse and drop the signature in the signature field wherever you want to sign. And also you have the share button. You can send it back to the person whoever have sent you. And you can also save this copy as certified copy. That means after signing the document, nobody else will be able to make any changes, and this will be a certified document from Adobe that it has been signed by you. So once you click on this save a certified copy, it will ask you to save the document. Let's save it by test today in the name of and sign. Click on desktop, click on save. Now you'll see how does it appear. It will show you the blue banner at top. So just you can see here, just showing you creating a read-only copy of your file. So it will be a read-only file. I mean, nobody will be able to edit the file after signing the document. See, you can see here, you can at top, you can see the blue banner and it's written here certified by DS Adobe. So that's how you can use the fill and sign tool in free Acrobat Reader. You do not have to pay for this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you find this informative, you can like and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day ahead. Take care.